Adding and customizing text is simple in CorelDRAW Go. Select the text icon from the toolbox. Click on the canvas and start typing to add text or copy and paste. To resize text, drag the corner handles to interactively change the size of the text. To change the size of the text box, drag the side handles. For more precise adjustments, use the Properties panel to change the text style, fill, and outline. Adjust the alignment, character, and line spacing or add lists. For a more personalized touch, add shadows, brushstrokes, or other effects.